If you are looking for used farm equipment with not a lot of hours, not a lot of usage, and farm equipment that's not only well maintained, but it's field ready, you must see this auction. Folks, it's Scott at Pro Country Auction Service, and we are featuring the ZIEGLER Custom Harvesting online auction in Ettrick, Wisconsin, which ends Tuesday, March 11th at ProCountryAuction.com. Some of the features in this sale are no other than a 2014 John Deere 8600 self-propelled chopper with both the hay head and the corn head. And the unit has 1,500 engine hours, that's all, 1,500. Also on this auction is a John Deere 9560R articulated pack tractor, and yes, it has the big Degelman blade on it. You're gonna have an opportunity to buy that one. Also featured on this auction is a 2000 Sterling, as clean as they come, grain truck with a 22-foot aluminum box ready to go to work for you. Also featured on this auction are 3 silage trucks ready to go to work. They got mire boxes on them. They're clean, they're ready to go. I'd like to also feature the Brillion Sure Stand 12 grain drill. One owner, used on minimal acreage. It is clean, it is good, and you'll want to take a look at the pictures because all the paint is still on this unit here. We got a cat wheel loader and many, many more. I'll tell you one thing about this auction that is consistent throughout. The equipment is good, the equipment is well maintained, and the equipment is ready to go to work for you. So again, this online auction ends Tuesday, March 11th. We're in Ettrick, Wisconsin, and for more information, you go to ProCountryAuction.com.